discuss about how to place default doors and windows in Revit. A door is a hinged or otherwise movable barrier that allows ingress and egress into an enclosure. A door is essential and its primary purpose is to provide security by controlling the access into an area. For showing door tool, here we are opening a plinth level in the floor plan of a building. The door tool is on architectural toolbar. Click on architectural toolbar. Next choose the door tool from the build panel. For choosing different types of door, we have to go to property box and select from the drop down menu. If you want to load a new set of family, we have to go to load family option. From the drop down list, we should select any one of the door. Then we have to go to edit type for editing the properties of door. To keep the original door, first we have to duplicate the door and then rename the door to D1. Width and height of the door is shown on dimensions panel. You can edit this as per your requirements. Place the door in the required location. Now you can see the door that we placed. Next, we have to go to learn how to place a window. A window is an opening in a wall that allows the passage of light, sound and air. The window tool is on architecture toolbar. Click on the architecture toolbar. Next, choose the window tool from build panel. For choosing different types of window, we have to go to property box and select from drop down menu. If you want to load a new set of window families, we have to go to load family option. From the drop down list, we should select any one of the window. Then we have to go to edit type for editing the properties of window. To keep the original window, first we have to duplicate the window and then rename the window to W1. The width and height of the window is shown on dimensions panel. You can edit this as per your requirements. Before placing window, we need to define the head height. For that, we have to go to property box and change the head height to 210. Place the window in the required location. Now you can see the window that we placed. Thank you for watching this video.